Good afternoon, my friends. Welcome back to another shenanigan. I'm gonna just season one piece of salmon. I'm gonna make some rice and some mixed vegetables for my fiance because I'm going out and I'm gonna have some food where I'm going. So I'm gonna make him something very quick to eat because I know he get tired of me not cooking. I cook but not cook. But anyway, that's a long story. So come on along, watch me season the salmon. I'm gonna wrap it in foil, season it, and we're gonna put it in the oven, my toaster oven here, for about 20 minutes. It shouldn't take that long to cook it. It's one little piece, and you guys will see. So thank you for coming along and watching again another journey with me, and thank you for watching. I got a couple of new subscribers. I want to thank you guys for subscribing, liking, and commenting on my videos. I need more interaction like that. So let's do it. Let's do it. Shenanigan in the house. This piece of salmon. I'm going to put a little lemon juice on it. I done cleaned it, but I'm going to put a little lemon juice on it. It's a lemon juice. Y'all see my refrigerator? Y'all see it. I got lots of stuff up in there, right? It's okay. That's what shenanigans do. But guess what? I can't open that. My hands are tight. Let's see if we can get it open with this. There we go. All right. We're going to pour a little lemon juice on it. You guys can see. Lemon juice. We're going to do some obey. Not too much of this. So tell me, I ask all the time. Sometimes I get some answers and sometimes I don't. Can y'all tell me what y'all gonna eat today? For dinner, lunch, breakfast? You know, tell me. This stuff is good. Garlic and herb, I love it. I don't know what's going on with my tripod and my camera and all that. I'm having some problems with it. And it looked like I'm going to have to buy me a new tripod. Because I'm not feeling the way this one is working. I'm going to wash my hands. Let that sit a bit. Sit a bit. Peppers and onion blend. When it's done, I'm gonna just open it and show y'all. I ain't tasting it, and he not here, so we're gonna have to wait. And he probably eat while I'm gone. Like I said, I'm going out. And I'm just cooking this for him to have something to eat when he come in. I'm gonna get some margarine. Margarine. Some margarine to put on it. Y'all see me way over here. I'm cooking my rice. I'm making some rice. And maybe some mixed vegetables so he can have salad. whatever. Ooh, you know what I could put on here? I'm gonna put a little bit in it. I'm gonna put a little bit of my Worcestershire sauce. Just a little bit. I don't want too salty. She don't like salt. Put a little more vegetables. Oh, you guys can't see this. Okay, let me show y'all. Okay, let me show y'all. Let me move this stuff out to the way and pull it down. Y'all see it now? Something in my eye. That looks good, right? So now we're gonna fold it in a pouch. Now I use garlic and herb, Old Bay seasoning, lemon juice, and some Worcestershire sauce, and some peppers and onion blend. And I put some margarine on it. So you guys can season it any kind of way you want, you know, but to me, this is the best way. Then you roll it up like this, and you put it in the pouch. This is what I'm gonna do. Cutting off my rice. It's done. It's done. So we're gonna put this in the oven for about 15-20 minutes because salmon don't take long to cook, and we don't want it too tough. We don't want it too tough. We want it just right so it can taste good. So we're gonna tighten this up, and we're gonna put this in the oven. All righty. I got it on 350. 350. All right, so I'm gonna put all this away. I'm gonna look for my mixed vegetables, and I'm gonna put them on. All right, you guys tell me what y'all think. You know, I really don't know much. You guys tell me what you think. I'm not a salmon cooker, but I know that you can't cook salmon for a long period of time. That's the oven stopping. But to me, the peppers and stuff don't look done. I'm gonna put it back. I'm gonna put it back in the oven open like this for another 10 minutes. And hopefully the peppers will get done more. What y'all think? The juice. Whoa, let's not lose it. But you know what? I'm gonna put some of this sweet chili on it. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. I know somebody who uses this on their salmon. So I'm gonna leave the foil open. I'm gonna leave the foil open. Maybe it should dry up some more, huh? Then it'll be too done, I think. Too dry. Comment. Trust me, it's gonna be good when I finish. Here's the second look at the salmon. That's it. I ain't cooking it no more. I think any more will overdo it. The peppers and onions are soft. I put my little juicy in it. And it looks pretty good. So I'm gonna close it up and set it on the stove for him. So when he come home, he can just warm it up and eat it. But I want to say thank you. I want to say thank you for watching. Thank you for watching another video, vlog, or whatever we calling it. But I appreciate all you. I'm coming. It's coming. It's going to come with y'all help. And I thank you. I appreciate it. With your help and God's help. I can't forget God. God has gotten me through a lot. So, on that note, thank you for watching. If you made it to the end of this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, cut on that notification bell so you'll know when I do another one. See you at the next one.